This time I look out, don't text me if video. Because you have some people that text you, and I just not like the way you them text. Like them have some look a certain style of texting where they really need to keep to for themselves because sending it to other people really make no sense. So this time I text me video. This a video, if you know text me, I don't see a problem in this video, I want me to talk about. If you don't see no problem, I want to text me well, continue to text me the way you want to text me and don't change. Because I'm going to make a next video for you. Don't text me and tell me say you're bored. Because right away this I know say me I look to you now to cheer you up and make your day and do all of them things there. Why you never just text me when you're happy? Eh? Who did I text when you're happy? Don't text me now and tell me say you go text me. And the first message me I'll get from your phone is a please credit me. Like, me and your man? Don't text me number put in a no group convo. Sometimes I'm gonna put people number in some conversation where they don't even know about or some group where they don't even know about. Me don't know how it's fun for your phone, but it's not fun for mine. You know I feel like it's about my business and have all my phone and when I have my phone I just be a this me here. It's annoying. This is one big problem I happen with most persons sometimes. I don't know how them feel say or where them get their style from. But you just feel say every text they send they have to shorten. Or they have to put all a number in the text, you know, to kind of spice up them thing. That style you don't really suit it. But you just spell the word and done. Because you have some people that text you like where you there. That don't make no sense. You have some people you know text you for a long time. And when they do text you, they either a borrow or a beg something. Or a leave a bag of stress on your phone. Or I tell you some argument you need to hear at the moment. I tell you so them auntie get divorced, them grandfather take drop out, them uncle sick and them thing they like. I don't want to hear that. This is some of the problem I have in the texting so far. Stay tuned. Because I know more texting problems will pop up and make part 2. See? Peace.